Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Notion AI to automate your work, especially if you're an entrepreneur or a freelancer. So these are 5 simple workflows that can save you time, help you stay organized, and honestly, make your life easier. No complicated setup, just step by step. So let's get started. First, if you're creating content like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, this is super helpful. First is open Notion, click a new page, type /AI, click Ask AI, and then type something like, give me 10 content ideas about social media marketing, and then press enter. And then from here, Notion AI will instantly generate ideas for you. So you can even say, make it more catchy. You can also say, target beginners. And there you have it. You don't need to overthink anymore. So workflow number 2 is auto writing captions and scripts. So this is perfect if you struggle with captions or scripts. So here are the steps. First is highlight any text or start a blank page. Press space and then type /AI. Now click continue writing or custom prompt rather. Then type in something like this. Write a TikTok caption for this. You can also write turn this into a 30-second script. So from there, Notion AI will generate it for you. So you can also click make shorter, and you can also make simpler. So if you're a content creator or editor, this saves so much time, trust me. Workflow number 3 is the smart to-do lists. So if you're always overwhelmed with tasks, then you can try this one. So here is the step number 1. Create a page, type /AI, and then ask, create a daily to-do list for a small business owner. And then after that, just go ahead and click enter and it will generate a full list. So then you can just turn it into checkboxes. You can add it based on your schedule. And you can also even say, make this a weekly plan. And now you don't need to plan everything manually because you have Notion. Now for workflow number 4, this is the meeting or notes summary. So this is useful if you take long notes or attend meetings. So here are the steps. First, paste your notes inside Notion and then highlight everything and then click Ask AI. And then from there, just type in summarize this, or you can also type give key points only. So in seconds, it will become clear and easy to understand. This is very perfect for students, freelancers, or business owners. Now for the workflow number 5, this is email and message generator. So if you hate writing emails, this one's for you. First step is open a new page, type /AI, ask something like, write a professional email to a client about delayed work, or reply to a customer inquiry politely, and then it will generate a full message for you. So you can also adjust the tone. You can say, make it friendly, or you can also say, make it formal. And then it's very useful for client work. So those are the 5 automated workflows using Notion AI that can save you hours every week. So if you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or even a student, this tool is honestly a game changer. So you can also try at least one of these today and you will see the difference really. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So, if you have more questions, you can write them down below, and I will be reading them and answering it for you guys. So, that's it. Bye.